This video will help you if the HWiNFO64 SYS driver stopped working after a Windows update. If your system monitoring or hardware tools are not working, stay with me, because I will explain a simple way to fix it. Are you also facing this problem where HWiNFO64 SYS stops working after updating Windows? This usually happens because the driver is outdated, incompatible with the latest update, or some system files got corrupted during the update. Many people get frustrated because they rely on HWiNFO64 to monitor hardware, check temperatures, or manage fans, and the driver failure interrupts everything. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to reinstall Windows, manually replace driver files, or run long command line scripts that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those steps wasted my time. But I fixed it with one simple secret trick that restores HWiNFO64 SYS and makes it work normally again. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple Windows fixes like this, stay connected with my channel HWiNFO64 because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.